The Ram 1500 provides a level of comfort so opulent that it rivals the relaxation of a La Z-Boy at home. Its exceptional ride and handling set it apart from other full-size pickups, and the extraordinary 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX, discussed in a separate review, stands out as a unique creature in its own right. Yet, the more refined Ram 1500 doesn't compromise on performance. With engine choices spanning from a 305 horsepower V6 to a robust 395 horsepower V8, the Ram boasts a towing capacity of 12,750 pounds for conventional loads. Available in both rear and four-wheel drive configurations, the cab options are streamlined to either an extended cockpit or a more spacious four-door crew cab. Buyers also have the choice of a 5'7" or a 6'4" bed. While facing tough competition from the Ford F-150 and the Chevy Silverado, the Ram distinguishes itself by offering a level of luxury and comfort that its rivals find challenging to match. The Ram 1500 offers two robust gasoline powertrains, a 305 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 and a 395 horsepower 5.7-liter V8, both seamlessly paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both engines benefit from a 48-volt hybrid system, although the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is also available without electric support. For those with an adventurous spirit, the rugged Rebel model not only boasts a more robust appearance but also genuine off-road capabilities. What sets the Ram 1500 apart is its impressive ride quality, attributed to a rear suspension system that utilizes standard coil springs or optional air springs, a departure from the conventional leaf spring setup found in its domestic counterparts. Additionally, models equipped with air suspension feature an adjustable ride height, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and off-road performance. Internally, the Ram 1500 impresses with highly functional cubby stowage and remarkably spacious passenger areas. The higher trims elevate the experience with upscale materials and luxurious amenities, transforming the Ram into more of a luxury vehicle than a traditional pickup truck. Many models offer premium features like heated and ventilated seats, along with a panoramic sunroof, while the most extravagant versions boast premium leather surfaces and genuine wood accents. In line with the typical full-size pickup truck design, the Ram 1500's crew cab provides an exceptionally roomy interior. It also excels in interior storage capacity and features a distinctive split folding tailgate. Both the 5'7" and 6'4" cargo beds are available, with the extended cab body style exclusively pairing with the latter. It's worth noting that Ram doesn't offer the 1500 with a regular cab, although the prior generation truck, the 1500 Classic, is available in such a body style. Ram trucks have consistently featured one of the top-tier infotainment systems and connectivity features in their class, and this trend persists in the latest models. Equipped with either a responsive 8.4-inch touchscreen or an optional 12.0-inch display available on all but the base Ram model, the infotainment system offers an enhanced user experience. Unfortunately, it's worth noting that we encountered several glitches with the large display over the course of our 40,000-mile long-term test. Both systems support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, providing seamless integration with smartphones. Even with the larger touchscreen, users benefit from a thoughtful inclusion of redundant knobs and buttons, ensuring a user-friendly interface and a more intuitive overall experience. The Ram 1500 offers a variety of available driver assistance technologies, spanning from automated emergency braking to lane keeping assist. To access detailed crash test results for the Ram 1500, you can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Notable safety features include available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, available automatic high beam headlights, available adaptive cruise control. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube video review of the Ram 1500. If you've enjoyed the content and found it informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest reviews of top-tier vehicle models. We hope that the in-depth information and real-world perspectives on the Ram 1500 have provided you with a clearer understanding of this vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We value feedback from our viewers. Thank you for spending time with us today. Stay tuned for more insightful and engaging content. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Have a great day.